2020, Exam 1, Question 10, Matrices. All right, this one looks a bit harder than it actually is, but I can understand you're getting a bit sort of tired and confused with these things. We've got a transition matrix here, we've got an S0, we've got an S1, we've got some missing values, and then we've got to see which of these statements is true. But you'll see quite quickly, and with a bit of thought power, you don't even actually technically need to really hit the calculator. All right, so first of all, J, since the column has to add to 1, that means J must be 0.4. No doubt about that, J equals 0.4. This column has to add up to 1 as well. That must mean that M is 0.5, so M equals 0.5. Already, we've eliminated this because J is actually less than M. Now, M greater than L, I'm not sure about, because we can't just do the column thing because we've got two unknown numbers. But if we say J plus L equals 0.7, some possibility there. But if we say J equals N, think about this. That means that this is 0.4. So then this must be 0.3. So we've got 0.3, 0.3, 0.4. But if you look carefully, when we made J equal N, which is option C, we also satisfied the fact that M is greater than L, because M 0.5 is greater than L 0.3, and J plus L is 0.7. 0.3 plus 0.4 is 0.7. So this single matrix says A, B, and C are all possibly true. Well, they can't all possibly be true, so none of them can be true, so the answer is E. Let's just prove that with the calculator. There's the calculation. We put in those values and we did not get S1. That S1 does not match up, so therefore A, B, and C are wrong. So those values are not correct. 0.3 and 0.4 not correct. Now it does say here in E, just to finish off the problem, that L equals M plus N. So L, since M is 0.5, L's got to be more than 0.5 because you're adding an N, or it could be exactly 0.5 if M was 0. Let's just try out the first obvious one, I think, which is that N equals 0.1. So you have 0.5 plus 0.1 equals 0.6. What do you know? Works out. This is the correct answer. And so, yeah, answer was E. But it's interesting sometimes that you don't even need the calculator. A bit of logic and it all falls into place. But I can understand during an exam, you're not going to be that logically rigorous. It's okay.